So you built something on Synthflow, it worked, and now you're back here looking for alternatives, which usually means one thing. That's the pattern. People go hunting for Synthflow alternatives once they hit the ceiling. The no-code builder that was perfect for a prototype starts struggling at a real volume, the telephony quality gets shaky on the calls that actually matter, and the integrations don't go as deep as your business now needs. So here are the 5 best alternatives in 2026 and exactly who each one is for. Let's go! Let's start with where a lot of people head first, Retell. This one's for developers and technical teams. If you're leaving Synthflow because you want more control, not less, Retell hands it over. It's a full infrastructure with a full API, plus a drag-and-drop layer, low latency, postcode analytics for sentiment and outcomes, HubSpot and Slack sync, and SOC 2 and HIPAA out of the box. On price, it advertises around 7 cents a minute, that's the official price, but once you stack your own model and telephony on top, user reports put the real cost higher. A great step up if you got the developer. A lot of overhead if you don't. But if you outgrow Synthflow and the last thing you want is to become a dev shop, this is the one most people actually land on. CloudTalk. It is for established sales and support teams, multi-country operations, and RevOps-led orgs that just need it to work. The difference is the whole category. Synthflow is a no-code builder. CloudTalk is a full calling infrastructure with the AI baked in. Reliable telephony in 160 plus countries, native CRM sync with HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, and Zendesk, analytics out of the box, and an AI agent in 60 plus languages, no code required. And the pricing is public and predictable. Plans start at $19 per users per month, with AI voice agents starting with the first 50 minutes free, then $99 for 200 minutes a month. No mystery stack at the bottom of the invoice. If Retell still isn't low level enough, there's Vapi, strictly for technical builders with custom voice workflows. Bring your own modal, voice, and transcription for every layer, real-time orchestration, and function calling so the agent can hit your APIs mid-call. Officially, it starts at 5 cents a minute, but that's just the orchestration. Users report the real all-in cost lands several times higher once it's all wired in. For teams where the whole game is high-volume outbound and lead gen, look at Blend. It runs its own models on its own infrastructure, so it holds up across thousands of calls. The voice cloning is a scary good, and conversational pathways keep it on script across 40 plus languages. Its pricing is actually clearly published. A free start tier at 14 cents a minute and $299 a month build plan that drops you to 12 cents and a $4.99 scale plan at 11. And heads up, those monthly fees don't include any minutes. You pay usage on top. And last and the 5th name worth knowing, Voiceflow. Voiceflow comes at this from a slightly different angle. It is not really a full calling platform. It's more of a no-code studio for designing conversational agents across chat and voice. So if your team wants to map out the conversation, test different agent flows, and get product design or support teams involved without depending too much on engineering, Voiceflow is genuinely a nice place to work. On pricing, it also looks pretty gentle at first. There is a free plan, Pro is around $60 a month, and Business is around $150. Each plan includes just one editor seat, extra seats are around $50 a month each, and usage is measured in credits on top of that. Synthflow is a great way to build a voice agent that looks flawless in the demo, and then quietly faceplants the week you actually put real volume through it. Skip the whole graduation ceremony and just start on CloudTalk, where the telephony, the CRM, and the AI are built to survive real customers from day one. Free trial is in the description, no credit card required, go through real calls at it. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.